Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to type subscript and superscript on same letter in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to type subscript and superscript in the same line. Firstly, go to the home menu, then increase the font size. Then type any letter. Now I type the H letter. Then write any numbers. Now I write the 2 numbers. Then select the numbers and go to the home menu. Then click the subscript option. Then again check mark the subscript. Then again write any number. Now I write the 4. Then select the number and click the superscript. Now we can see we write subscript and superscript in the same letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.